Hello guys, today I have a non-start condition Mercedes Benz 2012 ML 550. What's the complaint? Each time I change the fuse, the starter fuse is blow up directly. I'm search if there are a short to ground in the secret. I find nothing. I check the wiring until I realize the customer changed the battery, and here's what I found. There also here, as you can see, the wire was like that. The both wire, the battery stay above this wire, and this wire touch directly the ground. So I'm going to fix this and see if the car start now.